Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore QQQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 28th of May, 2025, and we are here now to deliver an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be viewed as financial advice. Since the 27th of May, 2025, our system has ranked QQQ as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 1.97. Now, let's examine the performance of this ETF during this timeframe. Unfortunately, the ETF has not met expectations, resulting in a loss of 0.44% thus far. This equates to an average decline of 0.22% per day since its designation as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund lies in the upper part of a wide and weak rising trend in the short term. This situation may present a prime selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A break above the upper trend line at $525.23 will initially indicate a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 6.54% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between negative 10.83% and positive 7.84%. Analyzing the longer term, our 12-month assessment indicates a projected change of 5.14%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate from negative 14.96% to positive 10.79% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $441.27 and $574.91. Our latest daily update for QQQ includes the headline, QQQ ETF price down 0.443% on Wednesday. The QQQ ETF price decreased by 0.443% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 28th of May, 2025. The price fell from $521.22 to $518.91. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 1.02%, ranging from a low of $518.40 to a high of $523.68. The price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days and has risen by 0.64% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume declined on the last day alongside the ETF, which is generally a positive indication since volume should align with the ETF's performance. On that day, the trading volume decreased by 3 million shares, with a total of 43 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $22.54 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF was $540.80, while the lowest price was $402.39. Currently, the price stands 4.05% or $21.89 below the 52-week high of $540.80, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. The Invesco QQQ Trust, known for its technology-heavy holdings, continues to demonstrate strong market performance, reflecting its status as a preferred investment for many. Recently published data highlights QQQ's impressive annual returns of over 21% in the past 3 years, establishing it as a cornerstone for tech-focused portfolios. Last week, QQQ led exchange-traded fund inflows, attracting $23.5 billion despite rising yields and renewed trade tensions between the United States and the European Union. This influx illustrates investor confidence in technology growth and suggests potential short-term price increases as demand rises. The postponed discussions regarding European Union tariffs have fostered optimism about a possible trade agreement, which could further bolster QQQ and other exchange-traded funds in the technology sector. If negotiations progress favorably, we may witness significant upward movement in QQQ's price, benefiting from the broader market enthusiasm. Furthermore, as technology continues to play a crucial role in the artificial intelligence and semiconductor sectors, QQQ is well positioned for long-term growth. Investors looking to capitalize on this trend might consider QQQ a strong addition to their portfolios, highlighting its potential to not only meet but surpass market expectations in the years ahead. This combination of robust historical performance, current investor sentiment, and future growth prospects could keep QQQ in sharp focus for both short and long-term investment strategies. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 23rd of May, 2025, it was reported that Kansas City Capital assigned QQQ a positive grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 19th of May, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned QQQ a reduced grade with a downgrade action. On Thursday, the 24th of April, 2025, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned QQQ a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 26th of March, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned QQQ an overweight grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 26th of February, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark assigned QQQ a negative grade with a hold action. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. The QQQ exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, providing a positive forecast for the fund. Additionally, there is a general buy signal, indicated by the relationship between these two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, support can be expected at $516.95 and $482.31. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact the near-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, May 19, 2025, and thus far, it has declined by 0.594%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. On the last trading day, volume decreased alongside the price, which reduces overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots indicated a sell signal 7 days ago. Bollinger indicated a buy signal 10 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 25 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 21 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we see the short moving average indicated a buy signal 25 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 13 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 4 days ago. To discover more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $466 and $423.69. There is a natural risk involved when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level, as breaking through this level may lead to a decline to the next support level. In this case, QQQ finds support just below today's level at $466. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $423.69 and $422.67. This exchange-traded fund exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the fund moved $5.28 between its highest and lowest points, which represents 1.02%. Over the past week, the exchange-traded fund has experienced a daily average volatility of 1.4%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for QQQ, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio could indicate either low expectations for the company's future or suggest that the exchange-traded fund is undervalued, which may present a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $519.26. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at $466. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $499.99, reflecting a decline of 3.65%. This exchange-traded fund experiences medium daily fluctuations, which indicates a medium level of risk. The 14-day Relative Strength Index stands at 76, significantly heightening the risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal identified from a pivot top that emerged 6 days ago. Is the QQQ ETF a good buy? Several short-term signals, alongside a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for the QQQ ETF to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 29th of May, we anticipate that QQQ will open higher by $1.42, starting at $520.33. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be solely based on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.